how to remove these and these. Let's go. Put in the tool under here, lift it there, and then go up in that direction. And please do this at both sides, not only on one side if you want to change them. I don't recommend doing this with your fingers. Always use a tool like this. So what you're then going to do, because I want to show you this in detail, you're going to take the short hard side and go under here, and you have clipper number 1 and clipper number 2 and clip number 3, and that's it. There you go. And so we have both sides for free. Now we're gonna clean these parts here. Then we'll do the same fake ones in the front as well, and then we replace them. Okay, the way it goes out, the same way it goes in. So we just take the vents, put the left, rights in, click. I need both hands, give me a second, and voila, they're in. Now we're gonna clean them, and now it jumped in, see? And the fitment is perfect. We're gonna do the same at the front. So we're gonna link in here. You see here's a little bit soft, and try to pull this part out. And then we have a clamp here, 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 and there. And I'm gonna show you this because we have the OEM Plus ones in here. And if you turn them around, you see exactly where the clamps are. So number 1 is out, and then we're gonna put it here. 2, 3, 4. There we go. And still good to go. So now we're gonna remove the tape. I really recommend taping your Supra because otherwise it could be that you get some scratches, and we don't want to have scratches on the Supra. I'm gonna put out the other side now. Before I'm cleaned this here, and then I'm gonna put this in, and it's just easy clippable. So you will make it. I hope you liked the tutorial. Please let me know in the comments if you would love to have more videos like this. Thank you for watching, and if you're not subscribed to the channel, it's about time. Cheers. Bye bye.